So in this video, we are going to show you how to use extrusion to create roofing. So we're going to create 3 major roofing. So let's head to our 3D. This is our 3D. So creating the roofing with the use of extrusion, we're going to go to architecture, on components, model in place. Since we are using extrusion, we are going to use roofing because we are using the extrusion to create roof. Okay, extrusion. Always remember to set your plane when you are making use of extrusion. So we're going to click set plane. You pick a plane and point it at the wall we want to create the extrusion. So let's use 5 degrees for the wall, 25. We are using 25 for the thickness of our roofing. We click. Here is the roofing. So what we're going to do next, we're going to click finish model. So what we're going to do next is to drag it to a particular place we want it. As you can see, our flat roof or linked roof has been created. Okay, let's change the material so that it can be visible enough for us to see it. Let's change the material. We go to category, let's change the material type. Let's use cherry. Let's give it another color so that it will be visible. Okay, now it is. So the next thing is to trim the wall to rhyme with the roofing. So to do that, we are going to click the wall. You can click this wall, attach the top base, and click the roofing. So for us to make this quick, we can click all the whole walls. You click this one, you hold your control key to click all the whole walls, then attach the base, then you click on the roof which you want to trim it. It's done. So we have achieved our flat roof and linked roof here. So let's go to the next one. The next one, we are creating a pitch roof. So the same process, we go to architecture, model in place, roof, extrusion. Always remember to set the plane. Pick a plane. Yeah. So for us to create this pitch roof, we're going to use the center of the wall. As you can see, a rectangular icon is pointing at the wall to show us that is the midpoint. So from there, we're going to start the edge of the roof of our pitch roof. So we start by creating. We need to extend it so that we can have the roof eaves. 25, which is our roofing. So we are going to highlight the roof here, and we are going to use our mirror to mirror it. As you can see, we have created a mirror of it. click OK. Okay, we have a little slight error. Okay, we didn't join this. We can reduce to know where we didn't join. Okay, yeah, we didn't join it. So you can use the trim or extend to join the lines. It has been joined. So we click OK. This is it. This is our pitch roof. So the next thing we need to do is to draw it to fit to the particular place we want it. You can also draw this and extend it. You can also extend it here, and we can also change the material to the same material we used. Yeah, so this is our this is our pitch roof. So what we need to do is to trim the walls to align with the pitch roof. So by doing this, we clip the wall, but because we're going to click the whole of the wall, we're going to trim the whole of the wall. So we're going to hold our Control key to click all the whole walls. Then go to attach top base, attach tops to base, then click the roofing, which we have done using extrusion. All the roofing is clicked. Now you see we have created our pitch roof. So the next one we're going to do is to create a barrel roofing using extrusion. So same process, components, model in place, roof, OK. So we use extrusion, set our plane, pick a plane. Now we are going to use the center. We're going to use the start and reduce line to make this. So we click on the start reduce line to create this curve. So we start from the edge and click at the main point. Then you drag it and click. Stretch it. You can stretch it. Yeah, I think stretching is a nice one. You can stretch it. So we use our offset to offset it. Our offset will give you the thickness of the roofing. So we offset it to the upward. Then we can close it. And close this one. Click OK. You can see our barrel roofing is in halfway. Then we need to click finish model and click on it. Then we'll extend it to the particular place we want it. As you can see, our barrel roofing has been made. So what we need to do now is to extend the walls upward. So we extend the walls upward. Extend this one also. Extend this also. Extend the other one also. And we can change the material to the same color we used. Okay. So what we need to do is to trim the walls. Go to the and trim it. click, Ctrl plus to click all of them, and go to top base. When you click on top base, you also have to click the edge of the roof for it to trim accordingly. Yeah, it has trimmed. So this is your Vray roofing. So this is our flat roof or lintel roof, and this is our pitch roof, and this is our Vray roofing. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these videos. Thank you.